To the flow, now let me see your hips. Uh-oh, lean back, girl, you got some mean rags. You got a mean ass, and I really mean that. But can't you see that I need a girl that can move, make her hips, and look just like you? But come to think about it, I think this club is crowded. It's kinda hard to do your thing when everyone's surrounded. So let me form a circle, everybody step back. I heard somebody yell, Savage with a